Today we will talk about the relationship between social work and other science. Social work is a profession within the social welfare system. As such, social workers apply scientific knowledge and technical skills to assist their clients. Sociology and social work. Sociology is the study of the origins, organization, institution, and development of human society. When going about their work, sociologists who typically have 5 to 7 years of graduate study attempt to explain the way in such human societies influence individual functioning within those societies. Psychiatry and social work. Psychiatry is the study of the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of mental illness. Psychology and social work. A psychologist is contract studies human behavior and mental process in an effort to understand human behavior for individual functioning. Counseling and social work. Some people confuse the role and functions of the counselor with that of the social worker. There are many kinds of counselors, but only 3 are mentioned here: the school counselor, the marriage counselor, and the rehabilitation counselor. The uniqueness of social work. We have established that social work builds on the knowledge base of other professions in addition to its own. Other fields perform some of the same function as social work. Social work and other helping professions. However, social work involves much more than simply sitting down with an individual, group, or family and solving some problems. Social work methods. Social workers practice their profession in many different types of settings. Many work in the public sector. Many also work in the private non-profit sector. Social work with individual. Depending upon the setting, many social workers provide services primarily to individual people. Social work with families. Social work with families became a distinct field in social work practice beginning in the 1960s. Social workers who work with families help family members improve their patterns of interaction to better meet the needs of all family members. Social work with groups. Although group work as an intervention methods in social work can be traced back to the settlements houses. Social work with communities. Social workers who work with communities are often called community organizer. In this instance, the client is the community and the intervention process is called community organization. Social workers in administration. Many careers paths lead social workers into administration. Frequently, these are social workers who concentrated on the more macro aspects of the profession while in school. Social workers in policy practice. Social welfare policy defines the context in which social services are developed and delivered. Social workers in research. Social workers engage in research for several reasons. They identify research-based interventions to achieve client goals.